This cute animal looks like a mix of a fox, a raccoon, and a teddy bear, but it's actually a red panda. Quick, like and subscribe before this red panda steals your snacks. Even though it's called a red panda, it is not closely related to the giant panda. It belongs to its own special animal family. Red pandas spend most of their time in trees. They are great climbers and even sleep on branches like fluffy little noodles. They also use their big bushy tails like a blanket to stay warm in the cold mountains of the Himalayas. And here's a funny one. When a red panda feels scared, it stands on its back legs to look bigger and scarier. But it still looks super cute. So next time someone says pandas are only black and white, show them the red panda, the tiny animal that looks like a walking ball of fluff.